Hello students, today we will learn how to draw and color a bird. For that you have to draw a sleeping line followed by a curved line for the head, and for beak you have to draw like this, and for the wing you have to draw a curved line, and for the body as well you have to draw another curved line. The tail we will draw two straight lines and we will join it with a curved line, and we will give some design here. For the legs you have to draw just two lines. Now we will draw the ground, just an oval. Our drawing is now complete. For the coloring we will use yellow color in the body. Here I am using oil pastel. You can use crayons as well. While coloring you have to color in the same way like I am doing here as sleeping strokes. Don't mix the strokes. Okay, now we will give red color in the wing. Always outline the borders first, then you have to fill the color, and don't leave any white space in between. In the second part we will give orange color. Here I am using sleeping strokes for coloring. In the beak you have to give red color, and in the eye you have to give black color. For the leg I'll use dark brown color. I will just outline it. In the tail I will give sky blue color. Here again you have to outline it, then you have to color inside. Don't leave any space blank. In the ground I will give light green color. First I am outlining it with the color, then inside I'll complete it with sleeping strokes. And we will give some dots with brown color as birds food. Okay, now our drawing is complete. Thank you.